Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make and can grape jelly using an easy method. First, gather all your fresh grapes and necessary canning equipment. Next, thoroughly wash your grapes and remove them from their stems. Then, place the clean grapes into a large pot with a small amount of water and cook them down until they are soft, which helps extract their delicious juice. Once your grapes are cooked, it's time to extract the juice. Carefully strain the cooked grapes through a jelly bag or cheesecloth to separate the clear juice from the pulp. Measure precisely the amount of grape juice required for your recipe, typically around 4 cups. While the juice cools slightly, prepare your canning jars and lids by washing and sterilizing them. Now let's cook the jelly. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot, combine your measured grape juice, the correct amount of sugar, and fruit pectin. Stir these ingredients well. Bring the mixture to a full, rolling boil that cannot be stirred down, stirring constantly to prevent scorching. Continue boiling for 1 minute, then remove from heat and quickly skim off any foam from the surface. Finally, it's time to can your delicious grape jelly. Carefully ladle the hot jelly into your prepared, hot canning jars, leaving 1/4 inch of headspace. Wipe the jar rims clean, then center the lids and screw on the bands until fingertip tight. Process the filled jars in a boiling water canner for 10 minutes to ensure a proper seal and safe storage. Let them cool undisturbed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.